Hello everyone, it's Marissa. I am back and better than ever. But today is my day off, thankfully, and we are coming at you with an Ipsy Unbagging. This is the June bag, which, yeah, I know I'm like super late on, but let's hop right into it. First is the bag itself, which I am in love with. I just love how simple it is. It's definitely lipstick on my teeth. Thank you for telling me. Anyway, let's hop into the bag. It is LGBTQ plus Pride Month, so that is the theme, which is really funny because I didn't get as much like makeup-y stuff. There is the Pacifica Mineral Eyeshadow Palette in Tomboy Vibe, which I don't think you can buy yet, and I saw it as one of the options, and I flipping wish that I got it. It's like orange and chartreuse and everything I ever wanted. So let's hop right in. I redeem Ipsy points, and usually they have makeup or like some kind of like, I don't know, like a lot of the times the rewards to me seem a little like BS. But this is the Luxie mini angled blending brush, and I've gotten 2 Luxie brushes so far in Ipsy and I absolutely love them. I used the double-ended one from a couple months ago to create this eye look today, and the blend is just like, I'm getting there with my technique, but it's good to have tools that back you up. But this is the mini angled brush. I'm really excited to use this, and this was 600 points. And I honestly think this is super worth it, so I'm very happy about that. In my Ipsy, so this was something I redeemed points for, so this like kind of doesn't count. So I got this Mint Pear Round Softed is the M64 brush. It's really soft. It's also enormous. Just like look at this handle. I've never heard of mint pear. I don't really know what can you blend like contour? This just seems like a weird size to me. It's like enormous to do your eye with, but like it kind of seems maybe like a nose contour. I'm not really sure, but look at how perfectly that matches the bag. Look at that. I think everything is themed, which brings us to our next product. This Tint Water by Peri Para. This is in the #1 Cherry Juice, and I've actually been using this. It comes in this really cute little bottle, and you can see it like move. And the applicator comes out, and it is like very liquidy. I keep feeling like I have lipstick on my teeth, and it's making me bananas. The thing about this product is it's a lip tint. I understand that. It says lightly apply as a base for a long wearing effect, or fully apply your lip as part of the day. Dot the inner part and bring your lips together to blend. This has 0 staying power. Like, it is not transfer proof in the slightest, and I'm having a lot of beef lately with these like lighter, softer, popsicle lip-ish that has no staying power. If you're gonna be a stain, be a stain. Like, I don't have time to reapply every 10 minutes. It's summertime, it's hot, my legs are sticking to my chair right now, so I'm like uncomfortable, and I don't have to worry about like every 2 seconds when I take a sip of water that I need to reapply a lip stain. Long wear lipstick, lip gloss on top. I know, oh my god. Forget it. We're going back to hating lip glosses because it keeps making the lipstick stick to my teeth. Okay, so thought I was gonna love this, was like super excited, disappointed. Next I have is the Bare Minerals Skinsorials. I honestly don't know what this is. It's like some sort of like youth skincare, longevity, vital. Like, it doesn't say what it is. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps, entire face more. Okay. I don't want to use that much of it. It's very liquidy. It smells pretty good. It smells like some skincare you'd get at a spa. Okay, so, oh. My hand feels like really youthful now. I don't know, it's like supposed to make your skin look healthier and feel healthier. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Why not? I have the Jante Bleu Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner 24 hours, and this is just a black eyeliner. I'm not going to open this yet because I literally just bought a brand new Maybelline Master Precise. This is my Ride or Die felt tip liner. So I just bought a new one, so I don't want to open this yet, and just going to save this for when that one runs out, and then I'll test it. And then the last thing I got was the Formula 1006 3x Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash, Scrub, and Mask with pink grapefruit and jojoba. It is thick. It smells pretty good. Okay, I'm excited to try that. I feel like I get a mask every month, and I feel like I have to tell Ipsy, like, no more eyeliners and no more masks, because I definitely have enough. It's so funny. I like how everything, like, matched the bag, kind of, and the tint water. Overall, this was, like, kind of a so-so bag for me. This brush is, like, it's super soft. I just don't know how I'm going to use it. The tint water is disappointing. I have to try the Bare Minerals. I love that I could redeem points on a Luxie brush because I know I like them. But I just kind of really wish I got that Pacifica eyeshadow palette. And I just wish that I got more makeup stuff, considering the theme. All sorts of a mess. I wish I got more makeup and color because the theme of the month was Pride. Like, does that make sense? I wish it was just a little more makeup-y instead of just, like, Tulle, to skincare, to, I don't know. Like, I'm just kind of feeling eh. It was an eh box. Like, I hope the stuff is good. I hope the skincare works out because my skin's been a little crazy lately. But, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Put your favorite thing that you got in your Ipsy in the comments down below if you also get it. And I will see you sometime soon. Bye!